In this video tutorial, I'm going to walk you step by step on how to link up your HyroTrader funded account to Bybit. So once you purchase a funded account, you will see your challenge right here, and you see where it says set up funded account. All you just need to do is just to go ahead and click on that option. Now, once you are brought to this dialog box right here, you see that HyroTrader recently added another trading platform, but our focus is on Bybit. So make sure that Bybit is selected. And these are all the options that you have right here. You can trade up to 600 USDT pairs, and then you can use up to 100x leverage and all of that. So we go ahead and click on confirm platform, click on that option, and we are going to create a demo API key. And we need the API key and the API secret key. That's what we need to be able to connect this HyroTrader funded account to our Bybit account. So all I need to do right now is to go to Bybit. Here I am on Bybit, and I'm logged into my Bybit account already. If you are not logged in, then you need to just log in, or you can create an account using the link in the video description if you don't have an account already. And you don't need KYC for this because we are trading on the demo account. Before I go further, if you are doing this using the mobile app, you won't be able to create a Bybit API using the Bybit app on your phone. So you will need to log into your Bybit account using a web browser. And once you go to your browser, make sure that you switch the browser to a desktop site. That's where you'll be able to see these options that I'm showing you. So once you switch it to a desktop site, all I need, I'm logged in already, is to click on the profile icon up here. You can see. So once you click on that profile icon up there, the next thing you want to do is to scroll down to where it says demo trading. So click on the demo trading, and that will go ahead and switch your account, okay, from the live trading to a demo trading. So now we are on our Bybit demo account. The next thing we need to do is to hover over that our profile icon again, and then you click on the API option. Click on that option to take us to the API interface. Now, once we are on this interface right here, you see the option that says create new API. Go ahead and click on it. And then you want to create a system generated API key. So click on that option again. So once you are here, just go ahead where it says name the API key. Just go ahead and name it. My own is HyroTrader, so you can name it whatever you want. Okay, so we'll go ahead and select the option that says read write, and that's basically it. So we select unified trading, and we can equally select this one that says asset. Once you do that, go ahead. That's basically what you need to do here. Go ahead and click on the submit option. And voila, guys, so your API key and your secret key has been generated. Before you exit this page, make sure that you copy the secret key out, because if you exit this page, if you click on I understood, for instance, and then you come back, you want to copy the secret key, you will no longer see it. The secret key will no longer be visible, but the API key will still be visible. So you will no longer see the API key. So make sure that you copy the secret key rather before you exit this page. Okay, so I'll go ahead and copy the secret key, then copy the API key, and then go to my HyroTrader and then paste them there. So here you see the option for API key, and then you see the option for secret key. So go ahead and paste your keys there, and then click on the connect to Bybit option. And that is it, guys. So our account has been successfully connected. So if I go back to my Bybit demo account, you can see right here that my demo balance has been reset to the 100k account which I purchased. That's how you basically link HyroTrader account to your Bybit account, and whatever trades that you take right here will start counting for you. And once you pass your challenge, you can still be trading on the demo account and still be making withdrawals. So if you want to get a funded account, the link will be in the video description, and you can get up to 5% discount if you do that right now. And do let me know if you are trading with HyroTrader. Okay, let me know in the comment section. I'll see you in the next video.